remainder and factor theorem. So for doing this chapter, you should first know what is a polynomial. You have learned in younger classes about binomial, trinomial, what is a monomial, then polynomial, all that you have learned. So when I write 5x plus 3, it has got two terms. When it has got two terms, we call it a binomial. If I write 5x square plus 2x plus 3, this has got three terms. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. So this is called a trinomial. Trinomial, okay? This is binomial. If there is only one term, like 5x, this is the only term. So this is called a monomial. These are all any algebraic expression that has got more than one term is called a polynomial. So if I say a polynomial, generally when in this chapter, what you are going to learn is, if I say f of x is equal to 5x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so this is a polynomial. So 5x square plus 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. And we call this f of x. F of x is a polynomial in x. Why am I saying it is in x? Because this polynomial has only variable. The only variable in this polynomial is x, right? So because of that, I call this as f of x. If I have, if I'm doing f of y is 2y square plus 2. This is a polynomial in y because the variable used in this polynomial is y. Okay. Now, if I say f of the first polynomial, I'm considering f of x is 5x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay. Now, I'm telling you, find the value of f of 2. If I say find the value of f of 2, that means substitute the value of x, or wherever you see x, substitute it with 2. Okay, so this will become 5 into 2 whole square plus 2 into 2 plus 3. Because wherever I am seeing x, I substitute it with 2. So what is the value that I am getting here? 5 into 4 plus 4 plus 3, which would be 27. Okay, so 5 into 4 plus 3 is 27. So this is like, this is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. So here you can say 27 is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. This is what we say. There is another definition also. Take the polynomial 5x square plus 2x plus 3. My polynomial is f of x is 5x square plus 2x plus 3. I am asking you to divide this polynomial, divide f of x by x minus 2. This is my requirement. I am asking you, divide the polynomial 5x square plus 2x plus 3 by x minus 2. 5x square plus 2x plus 3 is your first polynomial. You are going to divide this by x minus 2. Okay, so what do you do? Take this one. 5x square is my first term, or the polynomial, the x term with the highest degree. Take that, divide by x. So 5x square divided by x will give me 5x, right? I'm getting 5x as the quotient part. So write 5x on top. Now next step is 5x is multiplied by x minus 2. When I multiply 5x into x minus 2, what do I get? What do I get when I multiply 5x into x minus 2? Tell me. 5x square minus 10x, right? Is it correct?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
getting this? Yes. So I'm getting 5x square minus 10x. So subtract. Normal division is what I'm doing. So subtract. When you subtract, what do you get? This term becomes 0. The other term becomes 12x, and bring down 3, and that is plus 3. 12x plus 3. So this was my step 1 of division. This is next is going to be step 2 of division. In step 2, what will I do? 12x divided by x, which will give me 12. So I'm doing plus 12. So 12x minus, what do I get? 12 into 2. What is 12 into 2? 12 into 2 is 24, right? Now subtract. What is it that I'm getting? I'm getting 27. Okay. So here, observe that when I am dividing this 5x square plus 2x plus 3 by x minus 2, I am getting a remainder. And what is the remainder? I am getting the remainder 27. Just scroll up and see when the value of x was 2, what is the remainder I am getting? For the same polynomial, I am getting the value 27 here. Is it not? When the value of x was 2, here x is 2, I am getting 27. So this is, you can consider the value 2 as, how did I get the value 2? It is like I am taking it x minus 2. So if I want to put a value, x minus 2 is what I will be thinking that the polynomial is being divided by x minus 2. When the polynomial is being divided by x minus 2, I am getting the result 27. I am getting the remainder 27. Getting me? If I am writing, if I am trying to get f of minus 2. F of minus 2 means I am dividing the given polynomial by x plus 2. What will be the remainder? If I want to know what will be the remainder, I just need to substitute the given polynomials x with negative 2. So I'll do 5x square plus 2x. The polynomial is 5x square plus 2x plus 3, right? 5x square plus 2x plus 3. Take it 5 into negative 2 whole square plus 2 into negative 2 plus 3, which will give me 5 into 4 minus 4 plus 3. This gives me 20 minus 1, which is 19, right? 20 minus 1 is 19. So without me performing the actual division, I can actually find out what will be the remainder when one polynomial is divided by another polynomial. Understood? Here, I am dividing a polynomial 5x square plus 2x plus 3 by x minus 2. When I divide that, what will be the remainder that the division will give? I can find it out if I just do f of 2. If I just do f of 2, I will get the remainder. Now, if I do f of minus 2, I will get the remainder when I am dividing the polynomial 5x square plus 2x plus 3 by x plus 2. Okay. So what you need to, which value that x will take, it will be like take x plus 2 equal to 0. What is the value of x? Minus 2. So here I just need to do x, f of minus 2 will give me the remainder. If I am asking you, find the remainder when one polynomial is divided by another polynomial, find the remainder. What you just need to do is take the divisor part. Take the divisor, find its corresponding value. Like in this case, divisor is x plus 2. Take x plus 2, equate it to 0, find the value of x. This is minus 2. Okay, I got x value is minus 2. Now, the polynomial at f of minus 2 will give me the remainder. Understood? We will do it both the ways. Like we will find the remainder by dividing and by substituting the value. Both the ways we will try to figure out. So the question is, from the textbook I am doing, question number 2, page number 104. So here question is, find the remainder obtained by dividing f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8 by x minus 2. Let's do by polynomial division. So for that, take x square minus 5x plus 8 divided by x minus 2. X minus 2 is your divisor. Take it. So x square by x will give you x. So take that x here. So from where am I getting this x? X is this one. Okay. So this x is from here. Got it? And this x square comes here. Okay. So this is how I am doing. Next step is, so x I got. Now x into x is x square, x into 2 is minus 2x. Do the subtraction. Subtraction means reverse the sign. When I reverse, I'm getting minus 3x plus 8. Now minus 3x divided by x will give me minus 3. So take it as, on the quotient part, you give minus 3. This minus 3, when you multiply, you get minus 3x plus 6. Change the sign, you get plus 2. So I am getting a remainder 2 here. When I did the polynomial division, I am getting a remainder plus 2. Now let me find, so what is the value of x that I need to find? Divisor is, which is the divisor? Divisor is x minus 2, okay? Divisor is x minus 2. So what is it that I need to, which value of x I need to find? For which value of x I need to find the value of the polynomial? Is it f of 2 or f of minus 2? Tell me, which value I should calculate? F of x should be f of 2 or f of minus 2?
F of 2.
F of 2, that's right. That is because you are just equating it with 0 and x becomes 2. So this is how you calculate the value. Which value you need to put at the place of x, that you decide by this. Now f of 2 is 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 8, which is 4 minus 10 plus 8. That is, I'm getting 12. Yeah, I'm getting 2 here. So in both the case, I am getting, when I divide, or if I am using it by polynomial at a specific value of x, both ways I am getting the same answer. This gives you something called remainder theorem. Remainder theorem, okay? And what is remainder theorem telling you? If, just note it down, if f of x, a polynomial in x, it's a polynomial in x, is divided by x minus a, the remainder is equal to, f of a, remainder is equal to f of a. Okay. Maybe one example also we will give. Example, if f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is, what will be the remainder? F of 2. Similarly, you can say if f of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is f of minus 2. Find the remainder when x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x plus 1. Polynomial is given to you and divisor is 2x plus 1. So what you need to do is, first step, make 2x plus 1. Divisor is equal to 0. Equate divisor to 0 and find the value of x. So what will be x here? Minus 1 by 2. Okay. After calculating the value of x, just do f of negative 1 by 2. What would be that? Negative 1 by 2 the whole square minus 8 into negative 1 by 2 plus 4. This gives me 1 by 4 plus 8 by 2 plus 4, which would be 1 by 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 8. 1 by 4 would be your final answer. Next question. Next question is, find the value of a if the division of ax cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 10 by x plus 3 leaves a remainder of 5. So what they are saying is they are giving you f of minus 3's value. What is f of minus 3's value? What is f of minus 3? See, remainder they are telling you. That is f of minus 3, right? Divisor is x plus 3. You equate x plus 3 to 0. When you equate x plus 3 to 0, you are getting x is equal to minus 3. Okay. So when you are substituting f of minus 3, when you do, f of minus 3 is what? A into minus 3 whole cube plus 9 into minus 3 whole square plus 4x minus 10 gives you 5. From where am I getting 5? Because remainder is 5. That's what they are telling you. Okay. So you should write it like a into negative 3 whole cube plus 9 into negative 3 whole square plus 4 into negative 3 minus 10. Now in the next step, I'll equate f of minus 3 already given to me as 5. So equate it. 5 is equal to negative 27a. 3 cube is negative 27. Plus 9 into 9 is 81. Minus 4 3s are 12 minus 10. Now you can easily calculate the value of a, right? So 81 minus 22. Calculate it. 81 minus 22, you take it to the other side and get the value. Calculate it. So 54 is what I'm getting. So a would be 54 by 27, which is 2. So value of a is 2. Next question. When the polynomial is given to you, 2x cube minus kx square plus 5k minus 3 times x minus 8. This is the polynomial. 2x cube minus kx square plus 5k minus 3x minus 8 is divided by x minus 2. Remainder is 14. Find the value of k. Okay. So again, same thing. Here, divisor, you equate it to 0 and find the value of x. So when you divisor is x minus 2, equate it to 0, you will get the value of x as 2. Then you should understand f of 2 is 14. Remainder is 14. So f of 2 is 14. Now, on the polynomial, you substitute 2. Wherever you see x, substitute it with 2 and calculate k. That's all. So 2 into 2 cube minus k into 2 square plus 5k minus 3 into 2 minus 8 is equal to 14. You have to equate it with 14. Okay. This gives me 16 minus 4k plus 10k minus 6 minus 8 equal to 14. So I'm getting here 6k equal to 14. Is it 14 minus 2? I'm getting 6k is 12 and k would be 12 by 6, which would be 2 again. So value of k is 2 again. Next question is the polynomial 3x cube minus ax square plus 5x minus 13 and a plus 1 of x square minus 7x plus 5 leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 3. Okay. Same remainder in both the cases. Find A. So you are given two polynomials. First one is 3x cube minus ax square plus 5x minus 13. Second polynomial is a plus 1 of x square minus 7x plus 5. And both the polynomials are divided by x minus 3. So when you divide both the polynomial by x minus 3, you are getting the same remainder. And if that's the case, you are asked to calculate the value of a. So here you just need to, divisor is x minus 3. So the value of x is going to be 3. In both the polynomial, you need to substitute and you need to equate. So 3 into 3 of 3 cube minus a of 3 square plus 5 into 3 minus 13 is equal to, okay, first in the first polynomial, I am substituting 3. So 3 into 3 cube minus a into 3 square plus 5 into 3 minus 13 is equal to a plus 1 of x square. X square means 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 5. Solve this equation. So what do you get? 27 into 3 is 81. 81 minus 9a plus 15 minus 13 is equal to 9 into a plus 1 minus 21 plus 5. 81 plus 2 is 83 minus 9a is equal to 9a plus 9 minus 21 plus 5. Is it 7? What did you get? Yeah. So this will give me 9a. This, okay, 83 minus 9a. Take this to this side, this to this side. So I'm getting 18a is equal to, so 18a equal to 83 plus 7. So what will be a? A is 90 by 18. Yeah. Is it 5? A is 5 is the correct answer. Next question. When f of x equal to, they are giving the next f of x. F of x equal to x cube plus ax square minus bx minus 8 is divided by x minus 2. The remainder is 0. Okay, so in this case, I am getting remainder 0. And when divided by x plus 1, when I am dividing by x plus 1, I am getting a remainder minus 30. Find the values of a and b. So they are giving two divisor. I have one polynomial. That one polynomial is divided by two divisors. Okay, so it's like 10 is divided by 5 and 10 is divided by 2. Two divisors. Okay, 5 and 2 are two divisors. Similarly, we have a polynomial. Polynomial is divided by two divisors, x minus 2 and x plus 1. Each case, you are getting different remainder. And based on that remainder, you need to find the value of a and b. So let's first consider x minus 2. X minus 2 equal to 0, x would be 2. Substitute f of 2. First find f of 2. What is f of 2? 2 cube plus a into 2 square minus b into 2 minus 8. This equate. In this step, you equate f of 2. What will be f of 2? Remainder is 0. Remember, remainder is 0 in this case. So write 0 is equal to 8 plus 4a minus 2b minus 8. So I'm getting 4a minus 2b equal to 0. I'm getting 4a minus 2b equal to 0. 2 is common, so I will just divide this by 2. Divide the equation by 2. I am getting 2a minus b equal to 0. Just put this as equal. What is the second divisor? Second divisor is x plus 1 equal to 0. X plus 1 is the second divisor, so I am equating it with 0. This gives me x is equal to negative 1. Now, f of negative 1 is equal to, what is my polynomial? X cube plus ax square. X cube plus ax square. X cube plus ax square minus bx minus 8. This is my second polynomial. And second polynomial, when I am dividing by the second divisor, the remainder is negative 30. So f of negative 1 becomes negative 30. Equate it with negative 30. This gives me negative 1 plus a plus b minus 8, which would be a plus b minus 30 plus 9. Minus 30 plus 9 would be what?
Minus 21.
Minus 21, which is equation number 2. Okay, so I have got two equations. Now, use simultaneous equation. We have learned 2-3 approaches in 9th grade. Use the simplest approach, because when you add the first equation and second equation, b term will get cancelled out. So use that approach and solve for a and b. So equation 1 plus equation 2. When you add these two, 2a minus b equal to 0, a plus b equal to negative 21. Add up, I am getting 3a equal to negative 21, and a would be negative 7. Now, what is the value of b? Negative 7 plus b is negative 21, implies b equal to negative 14. What number should be added to 2x cube minus 3x square plus x, so that when the resulting polynomial is divided by x minus 2, remainder is 3. So the thing is, I have a polynomial, and this polynomial I'm going to divide by x minus 2. But the condition is, when I am dividing some polynomial, I might not get remainder 3. I need to add some number to this polynomial. Only if I add some number to this polynomial, I will get the remainder. So what will be that number? So here, what I need to write is 2x cube minus 3x square plus x plus k. This is my polynomial, okay? So this is going to be my new polynomial. Now, x minus 2 equal to 0 implies x is 2. Now, what is it that I want? F of 2 should be 3. So, substitute wherever you see x, substitute it with 2. K will continue to be k itself. So, 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 2 plus k. This gives me 16 minus 12 plus 2 plus k is 3. So, this is 6 plus k is 3. So, let me keep k here, and 3 minus 6 would be negative 3. I'm getting minus 3. Yeah, k is negative 3. Next is factor theorem. This factor theorem and remainder theorem are very related, and that is the reason why it's called remainder and factor theorem. Okay, so in factor theorem, what they are saying is, when you are say you are calculating the value f of 2, you are calculating, and when you are calculating f of 2, okay, when you calculate f of 2, you are getting the remainder 0. Assume that you are getting a remainder 0. Whenever you get a remainder 0, that means this is a factor of that polynomial. This means not 2. What does this mean? You have to go back, trace back, x minus 2. This will become x minus 2. So x minus 2 is a factor of that polynomial. When the value of this f of 2 becomes 0, or the remainder becomes 0, then that number which gave that remainder 0 is the factor of the given polynomial. So if I write this in mathematical term, it is like this. Write factor theorem. Factor theorem, just note down this. When a polynomial f of x, when a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder equal to f of a equal to 0. The remainder equal to f of a. Okay, the remainder is equal to f of a. And if f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial f of x. Okay, when a polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a, the remainder is f of a, right? And if f of a is 0, then x minus a is a factor of the polynomial f of x. Question is, check whether x minus 3 is a factor of f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Take the divisor, equate it to 0, find the value of x. Now find f of 3. It would be 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, which would be 9 minus 15 plus 6. Yeah, it's 0. So when I'm doing it, the value becomes 0. So when it is 0, what does that mean? Therefore, x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus 5x plus 6. That's all. Why is it? So because the remainder is, maybe if you want, you can write, since f of 3 equal to 0, x minus 3 is a factor of x square minus 5x plus 6. So next one, let's do question number 8. If x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 7x plus 2a, find the value of a. X minus 2 is the divisor. Polynomial is x square minus 7x plus 2a. Find a. So when it is a factor, okay, they have given it's x minus 2 is a factor. That is given to you. So when x minus 2 is a factor, that means f of 2 is going to be 0. If it's a factor, f of 2 will be 0. Okay, f of 2 equal to 0 since x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. So 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 2a equal to 0. So 4 minus 14 plus 2a equal to 0 and 2a equal to 10, a equal to 5. Next question. First part of the question is this. Find k if x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus kx plus 10. Second part says find or determine. Second part says determine whether x plus 5 is a factor. X plus 5 is also a factor. They have given x minus 2 is a factor. So you should write f of 2 equal to 0 since x minus 2 is a factor. I hope by now you all understood x minus 2 equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. And that is the reason I'm writing f of 2 equal to 0. f of 2 equal to 0 is remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, x minus 2 is a factor. Now substitute, equate this. 2 cube plus 2 into 2 square minus k into 2 plus 10 equal to 0. 8 plus 8 minus 2k plus 10 equal to 0. 2k is 26 and k is 13. 2k is 26, k is 13. Therefore, what is my polynomial? My polynomial becomes x cube plus 2x square minus 13x plus 10. This is my polynomial. The value of k is 13. Second part, I'm going to start with the second part. In the second part, what do I need to check? Whether x plus 5 is a factor or not. So x plus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. So just try f of negative 5. If f of negative 5 becomes 0, then it is a factor. If it is not 0, it's not a factor. That's all. So negative 5 the whole cube plus 2 into negative 5 square minus 13 into 5 plus 10. Negative 125 plus 25 into 2 is 50. It is negative 5. No, that is why it becomes positive plus 65. It becomes plus 65 because negative 5 into negative 13 makes it plus 65. So this will be 60, 60 plus, yeah, it is 0 because negative 125 plus 125 is 0. So therefore, maybe we can write it, since f of negative 5 equal to 0, x plus 5 is a factor of x cube plus 2x square minus 13x plus 10. We were given a polynomial. The polynomial is f of x is equal to x cube minus ax square plus bx minus 6. Leaves a remainder negative 8 when divided by x minus 1. So when you are dividing by x minus 1, it gives a remainder negative 8. And x minus, when you are dividing by x minus 2, okay, no. And x minus 2 is a factor of it. So if it is a factor of it, remainder is going to be 0. Find the values of a and b. So information is this. Polynomial is given to you. You need to calculate the value of a and b. When this polynomial is divided by x minus 1, remainder is negative 8. When the polynomial is divided by x minus 2, it's x minus 2 is a factor. So x minus 2 is a factor means when you divide, you will get, the remainder is 0. Calculate the value of a and b. So here, x minus 1 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. So f of 1 I will put first, and that is f of 1 gives me 1 cube minus a into 1 square plus b into 1 minus 6. F of 1, what is the remainder for f of 1? That's negative 8. Negative 8 is equal to 1 minus a plus b minus 6. So take it as I'm taking this to this side, b also I'm taking to other side. So I'm getting a minus b is equal to, a minus b equal to minus 5 plus 8. Minus 5 plus 8 is 3. So this is my equation 1. Next one is, okay, x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2 equal to 0 implies x is equal to 2. We know that remainder is 0. So anyway, I'll write f of 2 equal to 2q 2 square plus b into 2 minus 6. F of 2 is 0, equate it with 0. 8 minus 4a plus 2b minus 6. Here also I am taking this and this to other side. So I am getting 4a minus 2b is equal to 8 minus 6, which is 2. Divide by 2. If I am dividing, because everything, each and every term is multiple of 2. So divide by 2, I am getting 2a minus b equal to 1. This is equation number 2. So equation 1 minus equation 2. This gives me a minus b equal to 3, 2a minus b equal to 1. This, I'm changing the signs, gives me minus a equal to 2. So a is 2. A is negative 2. That's what I'm getting. A is negative 2. First one I found out. Now what is b? A minus b equal to 3 implies minus 2 minus 3 equal to b. So I'm getting b as minus 5. That's it.